Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you how and where to buy meme coins on Radix, and I wanted also to show you how and where to download the mobile application for the wallet, the Radix wallet. So after you have downloaded the Radix wallet, first of all, of course, you gotta go to the right web page. That is wallet.radixdlt.com. You can also go to their official website, radixdlt.com, and navigate through there to the links. But this is the easiest way I found it. Step one, you download the app. You can scan this QR code, or you can go to App Store and or Play Store and download it. Google Play. So it's available for both Android and Apple phones. After you have downloaded it, the next step will be to download the Chrome extension, so you can also use it on your PC. This is not necessary if you are using it only on the phone, but I like to have it on the phone and on the PC. So you press install, you put it into your Chrome, and it will look something like this. You link the new wallet here with this QR code from your phone, and then it will look something like this. That's all you need. When you're done with that, you go to ocswap.com. Links will be in the description, of course. So here you can see, if I press connect wallet up here, I press connect again. Now I get a prompt on my phone. It's really easy to connect and it's really secure. So your wallet is never on the PC. It's only connected securely through the phone application, Radix Wallet. So now that I have connected, it will show my wallet, and here I can download. I can choose which crypto I want to buy. Either you explore the top gainers, or maybe you just buy something like from my portfolio. Sorry, I'm really tired today. I'm sick and I stayed home from work, drinking a little bit of coffee and thinking about crypto, of course, and I wanted to share this with you before it's too late. So this is my wallet, a really small wallet. I just started out. Just a chill guy is a brand new meme on Radix, so I bought some of it, and you can see the chart is looking beautiful. So all of these memes are really early. You can see last 7 days, almost all of them have gone up. So these are really small cap coins. They will fly once this becomes more popular. Like, for example, like Solana, then we would be rich. We would have millions from just $100 or $200 investment. So now you know this. What you can do is download the app, go to ocswap.com and check out all the coins they have. Maybe buy some of the top gainers every day, because these will go up eventually, most of them, especially if there's new people coming to the chain. So don't miss this opportunity now while it's still early. We will be really rich if this goes through. See it like a lottery ticket. Don't put more money than you can afford to lose, but I'm pretty sure that this will be one of the top chains in the future, the best layer 1 chain. It is so smooth. By the way, I can show you a small transaction just to show you how easy it is. Let's say I wanted to buy 20 worth of Radix of this OC swap. You press swap token, you wait for a little bit, and then it will pop up on your phone. So on your phone you have to accept, as I told you, your wallet is never in the PC, so you're always in control. You can not get hacked through your PC, because you have to confirm everything on your phone. So I slide and sign on my phone, and I put my secret code in, and tada, the swapping will have gone through. So now my phone is done, then it will show on the PC that it's done, and I have some more tokens. That's how it works. So enjoy, guys. Please have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and follow me for more content in the future.